fitness and lifestyle.
Okay, welcome back to episode 3. Today I'm going to be showing you how to it's a little bit of defense, a little bit of hand movements. The last stuff I was teaching is footwork. Remember, to the right, to the left, and back and forth, and not coming together, touch your legs. Your feet, not touching your feet together. So today we're gonna do defense, a little bit of hands and head movements. So once again, you want your arm up, elbows in, hands to your face, and same thing with the other hand to block your body. You want to keep as small a space as you can so punches cannot come in. When you box, you like to try and stay on angle, but I'll explain that later on. But right now, you want to keep your hands up. So keep your hands up high, and when a punch comes through, you block. You just turn your body. You twist your body. That's how it's done. So you stay on your toes, chin down, touch, 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 and then you want to be able to counter. So counter punches is when you make someone miss, or you block it and you come back. So what you want to do is block, come back. So if you throw in a jab, it's a setup punch. So with your right hand, which I'm southpaw, so if you're right-handed, it'd be the opposite way, which most people are right-handed. So your left feet in front, your hands up, and still, same thing. Your elbows, make sure your elbows tight. You want to block. You don't want to take any body shots. So you cover here, and you're fully covered, and hands up. So you do the same thing, of your right-handed, your jab, block, counter, same thing. So go back to my stance, southpaw stance. So once again, hands up high, nice and high. Chin down, see a punch coming, block. Somebody throws a punch at you, the whole idea, you want to stay just far enough away so the punch just misses you. So you want to be, so the punch comes, you want to be this close, it just misses you, so you can counter afterwards. So if a punch is coming, boom, boom. And those are punches you want to practice, straight punches, straight down the middle. Everything's in close inside. So when I punch it, boom, boom. Wait a minute, boom, boom. Straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. And twist your body. So head movements, you don't want to be a standing duck. So when you box in, you want to weave and bob, move your head. Your harder target to hit, moving. Then standing straight. So you do not want to be standing straight. Weave and bob. Weave and bob. Later on I'll show you some exercises on practicing how to weave and bob. But right now, this practice, going left, right, not, and you don't want to drop your hands. You don't want to be like this. You want to make sure your hands up. Left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. If you're right-handed. But as you can see, I'm a southpaw, and I don't switch. But it's the same thing with the right hand. As a right-handed fighter. The southpaw means just being a left-hand fighter. So once again, boom, boom, straight down the middle. Wah, wah. Straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. I'm going to practice that. So this lesson, practice, practice, practice. Get that right. And then the next exercise, we'll put that all together. So this is what I'll do to put it together. I'm going to do the whole thing together, and this is what it'll look like. in your boxing stance, hands up high. When you come to opponent, you step forward, step back, block, boom, boom. Move around the ring. Keep your feet out, move around, boom, boom. To the other side. Move, chin down, make sure your chin down. Keep moving, boom, boom. Again, boom, boom. Head down, chin down. Chin down. Hands up. And always make sure when you do it, always bring your hands up. You don't want to do this. This could lead to getting knocked out. So let's turn your body, cover it once again, and back to your face. See? Punch comes over, slide over, won't hit me in my chin. And back again. So that's what I do. Same thing with the jab. Here. Here. Now I'm going to show you how to double jab. Another punch you can learn. Hands up. Step, step, back. 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 So it's 2 steps. Step, step, back. Now if you're right-handed, same thing. Hands up. Step, step, back. Step, step, back. Step, step, back. Just practice that move with the 2 steps. Don't try anything else. Just keep practicing. Step, step, back. Step, step, back. And once again, keep everything nice and tight. And then once you get that, that'll be, you could do this. Jab, jab. Jab, jab, 2. Jab, jab, 2. Jab, jab, 2. Jab, jab, 2. No, stay on your toes. Jab, jab, 2. Jab, jab, 2. So practice that, put that all together. And I'll see you on the next video. And next video, we'll start with a right and left hook. I'll teach you how to do those 2 hooks properly. And then we'll put those together, everything together. And then later on, next lessons, we'll continue with the boxing and we'll start with uppercuts and get it all together and more defense and put it all together. If you're new to this channel, right now we're just doing a few lessons on boxing. Because boxing is a great exercises, full body exercises, boxing, and it's a lot of fun. And especially it's a change up from just regular lifting weights, and you can get a full body exercise with this. And later on too, we also will be doing burpees and more skipping. I'll teach you more how to skip. We'll put all that together. We'll do a full workout and everything. So once again, please like and subscribe and leave comments below.